Take one. Hi, and welcome to my vlog. My name is Kirsty, and today I will make something nice. I have a recipe here, and that's called my mom's perfectly yummy curry casserole. Well, what you need in this is quite easy. You need some chicken breast fillets, alright, apples and onions, curry powder. I'm using hot, you can use mild, whatever. Using coconut milk, salt and pepper, and vegetable oil. Alright, so now I will start preparing. Alright, sorry for my have to almost stand on my knees. Okay, let's only start with this. Alright.
My boys that I found the best woman around. She's so sweet to my fantasy treat. Sexier than lingerie, strong as a serrated blade, smart as can be. You'll think she had a PhD. One look in her eyes and I'm mesmerized and hypnotized. She has class.
See me, you know, but I need to make you see what's happening. I only have to do like this, a little bit. Alright, so I have to do little like that. That should be alright, shouldn't it? Yeah? Okay, I will start with the vegetable oil.
You got me going here and there and everywhere, upside down. You tell your girls you had the best man in the
take the curry powder, okay. Then I will start, skal vi se. Take it on the gefilen there. One. I start with two. I'm using 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and I have that straight into the oil. Okay.
In the body of an hourglass, I know she's the one for me. It's her I want to please. No, I can't compare. Not a game of truth or dare. She got me going round and around. She got me spinning upside down. She got me going round and around.
Okay, the first batch of the chicken is ready. I use like hog because it's I want to keep the oil in the pan for my next frying. Okay. Okie. Take the second batch of the chicken.
Got me going here and there and everywhere, upside down. Yeah.
Like that. Okay, then I will get the onion in. Now this plenty of oil should be that. I need to put in the apples. perfectly yummy mom's curry is started getting finished. At least the apples start to get a little soft. Okay, so you see I've put on a lid because everything will quicken up the cooking. All right. Okay, let's have a look at this now. Oh, it's warm. Oh. Then I will take it over to my casserole. You see, all the yumminess is gone into the apples and the onions. Oh, it's really nice. Okay. Then I will only leave it there for a few minutes. Start to getting finished now, you see. The apple start to get soft and nice. Oh. Apple gets like a really nice taste when you get it cooked. Okay. Then I will get back to chicken. Okay. I know most of the taste is there now. Now I will only stand in the casserole a few minutes before I get in the coconut milk. Okay? Then I will put on the fan again.
I heard you tell your girls you had the best.
And now the casserole dish is ready for the coconut milk.
Brings me great delight. He opens my door and escorts me to the dining floor. You didn't know I heard, but I hung on your every word. Like Bunny and Clyde.
It's soon finished. Only need a little taste, okay? To see if I need to have some salt and pepper in it. I think I need some pepper.
Bunny and Clyde, girl, when I heard you, I damn near died. I'll be there at 6 tonight.
All right. And a little salt as well.
Be buttoned up and suited tight. Girl, I feel so blessed. I want you to.
All right. Then we will have a stir. Another taste of the sauce. Tasting perfect, if I have to say it myself. All right, there you have it. I'm now ready to serve. See you in the next vlog. Okay? I'm Kirsty, the captain on Verulum, the Viking from the north. Watch this space, and please subscribe.
Wide world, girl, he treats me nice, brings me great delight. He opens my door and escorts me to the dining floor. You didn't know I heard, but I hung on your every word. Like Bunny and Clyde, girl, when I heard you, I damn near died. I'll be there at 6 tonight. I'll be buttoned up and suited tight. Girl, I feel so blessed. I want you to wear my favorite dress. Black on white, your love was going down tonight. She got me going.